Hello everyone, and welcome back to my pre-fall declutter and organization video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm getting ready to organize the kids craft area. There is a lot of things out of order right now, and I'm just trying to pull it together before I start decorating for my fall decor. And I am trying my best to get their little area together on today. So if you're new here, I am Tay of Uneatly Tae. I do DIYs, home decor videos, shopping videos, tablescapes, fake bakes, and much more. If you like videos like these, you're in the right place to be. So make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you will always know when I upload my latest video. So if any of you are looking for this cute picnic table that I'm using in my kids' craft area, I'm going to see if I can link it down in my description box below. I bought it from Sam's Club about 3 years ago, and they love it. Let me tell you the history of this craft area. My kids love to draw, they love to create, they just love making stuff, and they like doing it in the living room. Please, I don't know why they have a room, but they love creating it in the living room. They love it. It's something about making stuff in the living room. So my mom and I came up with the idea to put a little area in the living room where they can see it and draw, just especially for them, with all their little items, all the things they like to use. And then I don't have to worry about it being all over the living room, in the middle of the floor, and just chaos. So that's the history of the kids craft area. So just sit back and relax and enjoy the rest of the video. Here comes the tricky part. This part here is the part that I have to be so tedious about and make sure I am looking and not throwing away any of their creations. My daughter and my nephew, they create so much, especially my daughter. She loves creating little movies and drawings, and she likes Pokemon, so she does little Pokemon movies and she draws and sketches it out. And I have to make sure I am very careful and not throw away anything that's important to them. So pretty much I am taking my time and looking through every single piece of paper, just about making sure I'm not trashing anything that's important. Drop down in the comments below and let me know if your kids are obsessed with their creations, because mine are. They love what they draw, and if you trash anything, they will look for it. This particular container here only supposed to be for scissors, pens, and pencils, but my kids have put crayons, color pencils, and all sorts of little things in this jar. So pretty much I am going through, I am sorting out the color pencils, the pens, the scissors, and I am putting everyone back into their home where they belong, so that it will be so much more organized. Because a lot of times they start to come to me asking me, they'll be like, well, where is this and where is that? And a lot of times it's right there, but because it's so unorganized and they don't put stuff back where they should, it'd be so hard for them to find what they need to find. So hopefully what I'm doing on today should make it so much easier for them to be able to find all their little pens, their markers, their color pencils, their crayons, scissors, and etc. Now, this is another task. I did not realize that these kids had so many markers and crayons. I just recently bought them the Colors of the World. They had those at Dollar Tree. Check out your local Dollar Tree. Those box of crayons were about $5 or $6 at Walmart back here when they first came out. They had offered them with they had like a coloring book with the colors of the world and the crayons too. And they are selling them right now at Dollar Tree for $1.25. So I bought them that because I know they like to color people or draw different people and different characters, and I knew they didn't have those colors, so I bought them a box of those. But when I did not know or didn't even realize how many crayons they have, and they love to keep their crayons in the box. The only thing that they really mind being out is the markers and the color pencils, but they prefer their crayons to be in the box. Sometimes they don't always put them back in the box, but when they are looking for crayons, they always go back to their box. Normally they put majority in the box, but you will always find a 2 or 3 here scattered along the way. But we're going to get everybody back into their home. If you are looking for any of these containers, the white stackable containers that I have their drawings in that I showed earlier, when it's white, when it's clear, that came from the Target Bullseye section. I only paid $5 for that. I'm gonna see if I can link some of these containers in my description box if I can find them. I bought those containers probably like 2 months ago for their craft area. The orange container, a little caddy, that came from Dollar Tree. The green and blue stackable containers, they also came from Dollar Tree. The green and blue containers I've had for a couple of years. I wasn't using them, so I decided to use it inside of their craft area, but I'm pretty sure they have some more little cute stackable containers just like this at Dollar Tree, especially since they have a lot of back to school items. Thank you so much for making it to the end with me. Thank you for watching. I really enjoy recording this organization and pre-fall declutter video for you all. I'm so glad to have everything back how it needs to be. It looks so good and the kids are excited about drawing. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Create, explore, and enjoy.